I'm Andrei, and I'll give you a quick demo on how Clarifai and Snowflake can collaborate together. The main idea is to create external function which we'll call Clarifai API and integrate it into the Snowflake pipeline. So I will talk about how to create external function, how to build place in Snowflake where you can upload your files, and how to build pipeline. Let's start from external function. First we need to create integration. I already did it, and we already have AWS configured and Lambda function deployed. So we only need to register it in Snowflake. So it accepts various type of arguments, and I'll talk in details about them. The first one is type of the content. Clarifai can work with different types like images, audio, video, text. Second argument is URL. It should be public. Third one is workflow ID. Workflow is like our objects which wraps one or more models. In our case, it's simple workflow which use only single model. And our model is image recognition model which know a lot of concepts, more than I, and can be used for any image. And our image example. The last two arguments is the place where workflow is located and user access token. So let's do a prediction. We can see that it's animal, canine, cute, dog, and friendship. Cool. And let's try to do some prediction on text. In that case, we use named entity recognition model. It finds words in text and set text for them, like location, organization, person. And here's our phrase. And we have some expectation. Like Toronto is location, cool. Tallinn is location too, and Alfredo is the person. Okay, after external function is configured, let's create a place where we can put our files. Stage is place for files, and also we can use directory table, which is a view to a specific place in the stage. In our case, we're looking into the image subfolder. It's created. Let's go to the pipeline stage. Usually pipeline includes some streams. A stream is a table which events from the object. In our case, objects directory table, and events we can get is like insertion, creation, deletion. So let's create it. It's obviously empty, so we need to put some files. Let's put it. Today it takes a lot of time. Prepare the next step, and while it's loading, I'll talk about streams and directory tables. The stage contains all files, but to load these files to directory table, you need to refresh it. empty. After you refresh the directory table, stream automatically see changes and update itself. After that, you can query stream to get recent events. In my case, I create only select statement, but usually it's located inside some insert or update statements. And of course, don't forget to clean up stream from events that's already were handled. File is here. So we check stream, it's empty, but file is already on stage. And do some magic with refresh, and stream got an event which type is insert. So we can finally execute our select statement. Okay, let's check text. It's adorable animal cat. And let's check the URL we used for prediction. It should be cat. Yeah, quite adorable. And that's all I would like to show you today. Thank you for attention. Bye.